Hey, this is Joshua Jarvis with GeorgiaHomesDigest.com, and one of the most common questions I get is what is the average closing cost? This is important for sellers and buyers to understand of homes, and that is that the average closing cost used to be somewhere around 3%. Now that was just an average, just a number, a ballpark figure to let us know kind of what it's going to cost, and uh, that 3% number has climbed to about 4%. And the reason is that in addition to rising costs of other things, that most of the mortgages now have some sort of mortgage insurance premium that you're paying up front for a lot of mortgages. Now, if you're putting 20% down, you're not going to have that. Your closing costs are actually going to be significantly less as well. But if you're doing an FHA loan, then chances are you're going to be running into somewhere around that 4% mark. In addition, it might even be more. And the rule of thumb is the more risky the loan, the higher the closing costs, and the less risky, the less the closing costs. But a good rule of thumb is somewhere between 3 and 4% is the closing cost that's going to be necessary for you to close on the loan. And maybe that's what you ask for the seller. So on a $100,000 house, you may ask for $4,000 to cover your closing costs. In a lot of instances, what we actually see is we see buyers making full price offers. I know, full price, it's a bad word, but not in real estate anymore. But you make a full price offer, but then you're asking for 5 or even 6% closing costs. So on a $100,000 house, you might offer $100,000 but get $6,000 back in closing costs. Now the owner of the home is receiving $94,000. So reality is that you made a $94,000 offer. So just keep those things in mind as you are looking for a home, or as if you're selling your home. Understanding closing costs is pretty important. And you really shouldn't see any home until you talk to a loan officer so you understand kind of what you're getting into. So thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, just check us out on GeorgiaHomesDigest.com. Fill out the forms or call us directly.